Hey guys, I think it's time I get rid of all of these shirts through here. I know I've been a bit of a maxi on some of these cryptos, and I've been a bit of a downer on some of these. I mean, the comments from people are just terrible, especially the Cardano community. And of course, some of the old Dogecoin holders. Here is a Cardano shirt. So I'm thinking I'm going to get rid of those. And at the same time, I was thinking about getting rid of that. I had the idea that I should just get rid of this out of the background. Like, why do I have this sitting in the background? The YouTube 100,000 subscribers, get rid of that as well. Now, why do I have all this other stuff in here as well? Like my books in the background. Who am I trying to be here? Is it my Lamborghini that I want to show off? Is it my books? The comments from people is pretty negative at times. And sometimes I just think, what is the point of doing all this when I could just sit on the beach and not do anything? So today, I think it's time that I hang up the microphone. Let's throw the microphone back into that box that we can see up here. Give it a break for a little while. There's no reason to do it anymore. You guys win. You guys win. I have to quit. I don't actually quit. It's April Fool's. I kept it short because it's my first April Fool's video. So I thought, I'll see how it runs. I'll test it out. I'm not quitting. The Cardano community, most of them are pretty good. Then you get those few morons that are out there. But that's the same for every other community, which I pointed out in yesterday's video on Solana. For some reason, there's a ton of morons. And when I first started YouTube 7 or 8 years ago now, I didn't realize there was a whole lot of morons out there. But the majority of people are absolutely amazing. And you just have to put those other ones aside. So those people, they don't stop me. And the other side of the coin is I started YouTube and everything that I do on social media because I love to create community. That's basically why I started, and I love to share, I love to teach. So none of that stuff will stop me from doing what I always love. And I thank you guys for being there every single video, no matter how stupid the titles are, or the thumbnails, or my lame attempted jokes of dad joke type April Fool's Day jokes. Anyway, I've said jokes heaps of times. I'll see you guys at the next video and enjoy my outros as always. Have more fun to get more done.